Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, before we get into this, okay, this is the question of the day. Would you be interested in an affiliate program where the sales funnels are done for you? The autoresponder is done for you. This stuff is already created. You don't have to create it. You don't have to talk to anyone. You don't have to answer any questions. All you need to do is promote your link, and you get paid instantly. That's the question. Okay, you have a call center that's going to close all your sales. Does that sound like that's something that you would be interested in? Okay, that's what we're dealing with. Okay, this automated system, automated passive income system, allows you to generate $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and $800 commissions will be available in a matter of hours by midnight. Okay, Sunday, the $800 level will be available. So it will be $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and $800 commissions. Okay, you have a call center that's going to close all your sales. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you definitely want to stay tuned to watch this video to the end. Okay, so with Digital Wealth Pros, that's what we're dealing with here. This program, okay, sets up everything. It's already set up for you guys. All you need to do is promote your website. I think this is going to be the easiest thing you'll be able to be a part of and make money online, especially if you're a newbie, because a lot of times people don't want to have to answer questions and things like that. This is going to take care of all that for you. Okay, that takes away that hurdle. Your job is just to promote. Okay, and let the call center take care of the rest. All right, guys, so let's get into this. All right, this is definitely a game changer, because most programs that have been created like this with a call center, they typically have a 50-50 split, a 60-40 split, a 70-30 split, something of that nature. Okay, and that's what I like about this one, as well as you can track your leads. Okay, that was very important to me, to be able to track all the leads that come into my system, and then they close them out for me. So we have all that covered for you with DWP, Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, so what are you getting here? Let's talk about it. You get a call center that's going to close all your sales for you, so you don't have to do any explaining, any talking to anyone. Your sales funnel is already done for you. They give you 4 capture pages. All you got to do is drive traffic to those capture pages. They even have an email follow-up series that's going to follow up with all your leads, okay, and lead them back to the video that they need to watch, the 6-minute video. Okay, and then they have analytics, so you can track, okay, the leads and the status of the capture pages. Are they converting? Okay, all that is in your members area. You can also link this system, if you so choose to Aweber or GetResponse, or even MailChimp. Okay, but if you don't want to deal with that in the beginning, you can just have DWP back office collect all the leads. Okay, but the option is here. And the best thing of all is you're paid instantly and directly. Okay, instantly and directly via Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, or even in the mail if you so choose to do that. Okay, you also can accept, if you have capability to accept credit card payments on your end, you can do that. Okay, so they have the advertising for you guys to show you how to advertise this to get people to look at the opportunity. This program also includes a digital library of eBooks, audios, and videos to help improve your business, whatever you're a part of. Okay, so you've got everything you need here. The biggest challenge a lot of people don't like is talking to people. What do I say to them? I don't know what to say. What if they ask this? All those things go away. You don't have to deal with that any longer with this program, okay? 95% of the business is automated because the systems that I just mentioned, everything is in place. The only piece that you're going to be doing is the promoting. You need to do the promoting to get people to the capture page, okay? They have everything else automated and set up for you. So when the sales team answer all the questions that the prospect has and they decide, hey, this is something I want to do, I'm ready to get started, they will close them, sign them up for you, and you get paid, okay? Just a few simple steps. Step number 1 is go to www.earnwithpandora.com. The link is in the description. Watch this 6-minute video. That's step 1. Step 2, you want to jot down all your questions, read this website, okay? Take a few minutes, write down all your questions, then call the call center, okay? They will answer all your questions. Doesn't matter what time it is, just call them, leave a message, okay? Leave a message. The number is 800-232-2109. Give them my referral ID, 442-89634, okay? And my name, and they'll get you signed up. All right, guys? Now, today is the last day to be upgraded. That free upgrade that they're going to give out, if you come in at the gold level, okay, let's talk about it. What levels are they? You have the $200 level, and it's $297 to get in that level. That's bronze. If you want to be able to make $400 commissions, that's the gold level. It's $497. Those are only 2 levels right now. At midnight, we get level 3. It's going to be added the $800 level. So if you sign up today before midnight, pay $497, the company is going to upgrade you for free to that brand new level that's going to hit at midnight. Then you'll be able to make $800 commissions. Otherwise, after midnight, that level is $997, okay? And then we're all going to be able to make $800 commissions off that level, not to mention the overrides that we're going to be able to get with this program, okay? So definitely go check that link out in the description. Get started, call the number, give them my ID. All right, you get this page, so read over this page. You can put your picture in there. As you can see, there's my ID right there. So you have a custom page for you, okay? So it has your name, your sponsor ID, which is your ID, and that way when people go there, they can see you and they can call and give your ID. Okay, guys, this is awesome. It's going to be, it's going to be very powerful. We're just getting this kicked off for the spring, going into the summer. It's going to be a great opportunity, a great way to make some passive income, because again, it's passive because you're not having to do any of the explaining. Just do the promoting and let them close those sales for you. Okay, guys? So let's keep going here. I want you to see this. I just logged into my members area, the dashboard. As you can see, this clock is ticking 12 hours. So before midnight, you want to get in so you can take advantage of this if you can. Okay, $497 will get you qualified for that 3rd level to make those $800 commissions. Okay, if you can. If you can't, get in at $297. Okay, $297, and you have a call center to close all your sales for you. Okay, you never have to worry about speaking to people. So I still think that's a great opportunity. All right, to be able to make these commissions on autopilot. $200, $400, and soon to be $800 after midnight. This is going to be in effect. It's going to be hot. I'm telling you right now. So go check it out, www.earnwithpandora.com. Now, let me tell you the bonus I'm going to give you guys. Okay, so not to mention, I'm going to offer one-on-one ongoing support. Okay, from the beginning of the time you get started with me. If you have any questions after you get started, we're going to be in a partnership, so feel free to give me a call. I can continue to give you marketing strategies. You'll have that. and some of my own personal marketing resources. Okay, so if you come in at that $200 level, the bronze level, I'm going to pay for your first solo ad. That's 125 click solo ad. Okay, if you come in at the $400 level, I'm going to pay for a 225 click solo ad. If you come in at the $800 level, which means after today, if you decide you're going to pay that $9.97 at any point in time, you come in at that level, I'm going to pay for a 300 click solo ad for you guys. Okay, so this is going to help you kickstart your business by getting eyeballs on your opportunity. Because the way I promote, I do not bug friends and family. I'm only interested in targeted people that's interested in making money online with affiliate marketing. So I can show you how I do that. I've been doing this for quite a while. Okay. Now, one more clarification, because I had somebody send me an email and ask this question: is this MLM? It's not MLM, but if you watch this video right here, see, that tells me that people aren't watching the video. They're just asking questions. When they asked me, is this MLM, I knew they didn't watch this video, because it clearly says that in the video. That's why they want you to go here first to get an understanding of the program, then call the coaches or the call center afterwards. But this is not MLM. It's not network marketing. This is direct sales, member to member. Okay? So that's the other thing. Direct sales, member to member. You're paid directly from the person that joins you any way you want. Okay, guys? So if this sounds like something you're interested in, earning $200 commissions, $400 commissions, then $800 commissions and overrides without you having to answer any questions, speak to anyone. You have a call center at your disposal that's going to take care of all of that for you on the back end. And they're going to sign the people up for you. I mean, what more can you ask for? They're going to send you an email when the person signs up, and then you're paid at that point. So your job is just to focus on promoting. Okay, the more eyeballs you get to look at this page, to go here and watch this video, the better chances of you getting your sales and people calling that 800 number to get signed up. Let me show you that number again so that you can get started. Okay, 800-232-2109. Call that number right now. Give them my ID, 442-89634. Get in where you fit in. If you can't do the $497 today, get in at $297, guys. You're going to have a team that's going to close the sale, so you're not going to have to worry about that. All right? So definitely get started. Let's look at this clock again, because once this clock changes to 0, the free upgrade is no longer available. You'd have to pay $9.97 to start receiving $800 commission. So let's check it out again. Okay, so this clock is counting down the new level launch to start receiving $800 commissions. It's gonna be bananas. Okay, so I'd hate for you to miss out on this opportunity and leave $800 commissions on the table. But if you can't do it, at least get in at $297 and start receiving $200 commissions. All right, guys. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. I'll see you on the inside of DWP. Have a blessed day.